Take me out to the ball game. I have image on my name. Hello my fellow hood eggs, and today we are going to be making caramel corn. You can skip the baseball game because they're boring anyways, and you can just make it at home. It is refined free, and it's also cutting out the butter or any like other type of butter, so it's a lot better for you. And we're replacing that with almond butter. You can use that. You can also use cashew butter. I wouldn't recommend peanut butter because that's, I mean, unless you want peanut butter caramel corn, but live your life. So anyways, if you want to know how to make it, please keep watching. So first you're going to start off by putting popcorn into a bowl. You're going to use 5-6 cups, and then in a pot you're going to add your coconut sugar, your maple syrup, almond butter, some water, and then you are just going to stir that until you get a smooth texture. And then you're going to cook that on the stove until it's bubbly. It looks like this. It's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. And then you're just going to add the salt and the vanilla. And then you're just going to stir that. And then you're going to gradually pour that over the popcorn. And then you are just going to stir that using a spatula and make sure the popcorn is evenly coated. And then you can eat it as is, or you can line it on a baking tray and bake it at 250 for 15 minutes and then let it out to cool. And then you will get your classic caramel corn taste. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video.